So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you run this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine, then you want to expand software, then you want to expand Microsoft, then you want to expand Windows. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows. You want to expand Windows, and now you want to expand current version, and now we're going to find the Explorer folder. We're going to scroll down till we find Explorer. Here it is. You want to click on this folder, and now this will appear on the right side. And then once you run this, you just want to right click on the white space, and then click on new, and then click on string value. And then once you run this, we're going to type in max space cached space icons. Spell it the exact same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase, and then click on enter. And then once you have this, you want to double click on max cached icons. In the value data box, you want to type in 4096 and then click on OK. Now you just want to restart your computer, and then you should be good to go.